at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up? We're on the beach right now, on the Ultra. Vid's about to be amazing. Yeah, so we got a 72 volt fully built light beat, motor, EVMX motor, EVMX controller, 72 volt tri, and we're gonna race in a bit. So yeah, how many kilowatts are you running? I should have a chance.
Let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
Go. You won! You couldn't catch up. I won!
3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, that was a race. As you can see, I let off and then he passed me. He didn't let off. So technically I won that. I won the race before. He had excuses. But you guys can see video proof that I let off. So my Ultra is pushing 21 kilowatts, he's pushing 28. And I beat him. All that for nothing.
That's blinded.
Let's go over here.
Yo, I'm gonna knock this out.
No. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the vid. So As you guys can see, it probably looks better and sounds better. I got some ND filters finally, and I got a new mic. So that's why it sounds better. ND filters allows for real life shutter speed and all that. And now I can color grade professionally. So yeah, we're just gonna be modding around today. Hope you guys are gonna enjoy the vid. I also got a YZ 450 master cylinder. I also got my friend on my LBX. So as I was saying, I got a YZ 450 master. So this was originally like the Amazon foot brake. And then I bought the YZ 450 master cylinder. And now it feels better than like the factory ZV2 one. It feels so good. All I had to do was design this little part, 3D print it for it to mount. That's exactly what factory Z does, but and for a few bolts they charge like $20. So that's what I did, and I just made it all, and it fit perfectly. And bro, it feels so good. It coasts forever now. So the no hands are gonna be real good this video. I've gotten even better. I have been working on a combo. It's like side saddle, knee knock to C-stand. But I can't. I can do the C-stand on the right side, like jumping up like this, but I can't do it on the left side. It's weird. My non-dominant side, so that's probably why. But I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna get it. And my handbrake's pretty bad right now. It's still kind of scrapeable sometimes. But I'm gonna bleed it tomorrow. I was gonna bleed it today, but I couldn't. My friend might help me too, because I'm low on fluid and stuff.
What's your kill switch?
I don't have one. Kinda good no hand, I could do better. Low-key kinda buns. Oh, I also 3D printed a new GoPro mount. So hopefully that looks better. I have two different spots for adjustments. One for like combos, and then another one for like normal videos like right now. So I'm in the normal spot. Also put a bandana right there for like, you see it? Where my foot won't hurt no more, because with Van, the laces piece, there's like no cushion right there, so it kind of hurts sometimes. So I just put that and it goes way better. It's a rag, but then it looks bad. Alright, so we're back on the beach. It should be a lot less windy than the last clip because now we have a mic. And it should look better since we have ND filters. Yes, sir. Hey guys, right now we're on second. Bro, there's so much traffic here, bro. Yeah.
What's up, Ben? YouTube?
What's up, Ben Rider? Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Bike right here? Yeah. Ben's bike is flat.
This is Nigel.
Nah, that bike is class. Hopefully it still looks good. I had to take the ND filter off, and the lenses are in my seat, so I'm running low lens right now. Bro, downtown LB is so nice. Yep. What's up?
At 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could